Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving essay CSR Physical Science June 2021. We are targeted June 2021 CSR Physical Science. So we are giving online physics classes for you. See, already I started quantum mechanics class 1 regarding to phase velocity. See, what are the demerits of classical mechanics? So today I want to discuss some more here. See, already we discussed quantum mechanics phase velocity. Phase velocity. See, phase velocity. Phase velocity, that is ratio of angular frequency to propagation constant. So here, what is phase velocity? Already we discussed the velocity of advancement of wave in a medium. So here, if the wave or the phase is constant moving, the wave is constant moving. For example, y equal to a sin omega t minus kx. Here, if it is the phase is constantly moving, we will get that is phase velocity or wave velocity. So if it is moving constantly, the phase is constant. That means omega t minus kx equal to constant. So if we differentiate with time, we will get like this equal to 0. dx by dt equal to omega by k. Here dx by dt, here x is the wave movement, how much it is moving. So dx by dt is, that is phase velocity, that is equal to omega by k. So already last class I discussed phase velocity, that is equal to omega by k. Phase velocity we can call it as wave velocity also. Wave velocity also. Phase velocity or wave velocity. So now we discuss group velocity. Group velocity. See, group velocity. See Vg. Subscript G for group velocity. See here, in phase velocity we taken only one wave. It is moving. So the moving, how much velocity is there for this wave, that is wave velocity or phase velocity, that is equal to omega by k. But here in group velocity, consider not only one monochromatic wave, consider number of waves. Consider number of waves. See 1, 2, 3. 3 waves are here superimposing on another wave. So 2 or 3 number of waves superimposing, then we will get a maximum amplitude, A max amplitude wave will be there. So here the superposition of such waves, see here for example I taken 3 waves here, we take number of waves, n waves. So finally after interference we got maximum amplitude wave or wave. So this we can call it as wave packet. Wave packet. So in wave packet what is there? The wave packet consists of number of individual monochromatic waves. So wave packet. Next, see what is happening in wave packet. According to de Broglie, see he is saying this is the amplitude, This is the wave. So some place due to superimposition or interference, you will get maximum amplitude wave packet. Some place amplitude is 0, some place amplitude is max, then amplitude is 0. So what is happening here? So number of waves, here amplitude is 0, here the number of waves superimposed destructively. So destructively superimposed, so amplitude will be 0. But here in this wave packet, the waves are superimposed in a constructive way. So amplitude is maximum. This is de Broglie concept of group velocity. So see, the number of waves superimposing a small region, then outside the region it is destructively superimposing. So amplitude is 0. Some place it is constructive, some place it is destructive. Where the constructive way amplitude is maximum, in destructive area region amplitude is 0. So this is a concept of group velocity. What is happening here? Number of waves are superimposing. We are getting one maximum amplitude wave. It is moving. It is moving with some velocity. That is group velocity. The group velocity means in the groups number of waves are there. After superimposing, we are getting one maximum amplitude wave. That is called wave packet. So how much velocity it is transition in a medium, or it is how much velocity with advancing in medium, that is called group velocity. So next we are finding group velocity formula. See here, group velocity Vg. Let us consider two waves. Let us consider two waves with displacement y1 and y2. A is amplitude, then omega t minus kx sine of omega dash t minus k dash x. These are the two waves with different displacements. A is amplitude, same amplitude, angle of frequency is different, one is omega and omega dash, propagation constant k and k dash. So these two waves are moving in a medium. So after superimposing or after interference, we will get A sine omega t minus kx plus A sine omega dash t k dash x. So take a common, sine omega t minus kx plus sine omega dash t k dash x. Here sine, then one more sine function. So this like sine of a plus b. So sine of a plus b formula 2 sine a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So sine of a plus b equal to sine of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2. So just take this is a, this is b, 2 sine of a plus b, omega plus omega, omega plus omega dash t by 2 minus kx plus minus k dash x. So we will get k plus k dash by 2 into x, sine of a plus b by 2. Next one, sine of cos of a minus b, that is omega t minus kx minus of omega t minus k dash x a minus b by 2. So you will get, after solving this, see, you will see, you will get nearly 2a cos d omega by 2 into t minus dk by 2 of x cos sin of omega t minus kx. So solving we will get this value, that is y equal to. So here where omega plus omega dash by 2 equal to omega and k plus k dash by 2, take k. So wherever omega plus omega dash, substitute k. Wherever k plus k dash by 2 equal, substitute k. Then this is the one wave equation. So 2a cos of d omega by 2 into t minus dk by 2 into x, this is the amplitude of this wave sin of omega t minus x. So what is the amplitude here? A equal to 2a cos of d omega by 2 into t minus dk by 2 into x. This is the amplitude of the wave. This is the amplitude. So here we can write a equal to 2a cos d omega by 2, take common, t minus so sorry, I written, I did mistake here. See, amplitude equal to 2a cos d omega by 2 minus dk by 2 into x. So here 2a cos d omega by 2, take common, we will get here t minus dk by d omega into x. Here, see, from this, amplitude equal to a cos of d omega by 2, take common, t minus dk by d omega x. So we are taking d omega by 2 common. So what will be there? 2a cos d omega by 2 t minus dk by dx by d omega by dk is like this. This is the amplitude. So here d omega by dk is nothing but group velocity, d omega by dk. So substitute here cos of d omega by 2 t minus x by vg. So this is the group velocity. So we can write group velocity equal to d omega by dk, that is equal to omega minus omega dash k minus k dash. So this is the group velocity formula. So already we discussed phase velocity omega by k. This is group velocity d omega by dk. So we will discuss what is the relation between group velocity and phase velocity. So Vp equal to omega by k. You will see the relation between phase velocity and group velocity. Already we know phase velocity equal to omega by k, group velocity equal to d omega by dk. Already I discussed here. Now phase velocity equal to omega by k, omega equal to Vp into k. So d omega equal to dVp k plus Vp to dk. D omega by dk equal to dVp by dk k plus Vp. So d omega by dk is nothing but group velocity, that is equal to Vp plus k into dVp by dk. So the relation between group velocity and phase velocity in terms of propagation constant. So one more relation we will see here in terms of wavelength. So group velocity equal to phase velocity plus k dVp by dk. So phase velocity plus k into dVp by d lambda by dk. So I substituted multiplied divided with d lambda. So d lambda by dk. So just we see lambda equal to 2 pi by k. D lambda equal to minus 2 pi by k square dk. Next, so using these relations, just substitute there. D lambda by dk equal to minus 2 pi by k square. So use these relations. Here Vp plus k dVp by d lambda. D lambda by dk equal to minus 2 pi by k square. K gets cancelled. Next, Vp minus 2 pi dVp by d lambda. 2 pi by k. K will be there. dVp by d lambda. So 2 pi by lambda is nothing but 2 pi by k is 2 pi by k is nothing but lambda. So Vp minus lambda dVp by d lambda. So this one more relation, group velocity equal phase velocity minus lambda into dVp by d lambda. This is in wavelength. This relation in propagation constant. Group velocity equal phase velocity plus k into dVp by dk. So this is one relation, this is two relation. Second relation. So I discussed today group velocity and relation between phase velocity and group velocity. Thank you. Before closing, please subscribe my channel for more videos.